Digital marketing is exploding. Google makes over $100 billion a year through ads. Facebook's generating over $40 billion a year through ads. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to share with you how you can start your career in digital marketing. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. When I release more videos like this, you'll get notified because you subscribe. Question for you. How many years have you been in digital marketing? If you're just starting off, leave a comment below with 0. If you have been doing this for a while, leave a comment below with 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever the number is. I'm curious because the tips I'm giving today, it should help you out if you're just starting your career or even if you're already a few years in digital marketing. So here's what the first thing I want you to do is. I want you to start your own website. This is the first step. You need to go out there, create a WordPress blog or any type of site. I prefer WordPress, but you need to start a site. If it's e-commerce related, start a Shopify site. The best way to learn marketing is to start your own website. Step 2, take all the competitors you have. If you don't know what they are, you already created a website. And it should be a site that you're passionate about, the industry that you're in. If you don't know any competitors, take those keywords, whatever industry you're in, like astrology or marketing, Google for them, you'll find URLs. Pop them into a tool called Suggest. These are all the URLs that are ranking for these keywords you're going after. This will show you how much traffic your competition is getting per region. It'll also show you the top pages that your competition is getting traffic from. And it shows you all the keywords that are driving traffic to your competition. Now that you've seen this, the next thing you need to do is click on the top pages report. The top pages report will show you all the top pages for all your competitors. How many visits they're getting to each of those pages? How many social shares do they have? How many backlinks do they have? And here's what I want you to do next, now that you have this data. Go look at those top pages, figure out which key terms are driving the traffic, have high volume, high cost per click, and a low search difficulty, because these are the ones that are the easiest to go after first and have the most valuable traffic. Go look at those pages, then write a better version of that page. Don't just create something that's similar, one-up them, have better images, better videos, whatever it may be, go above and beyond. I used to do custom graphics, pay people from Fiverr, so I can pop them in my blog post. That way I can have myself, my content, my articles stand out from the competition. When you've done that, then the next step for you is to promote your content. So you want to take all the people that link to your competitors, you've seen that from Suggest. It shows you a laundry list of all the people that link to your competitors. What you want to do is reach out to all those people and be like, hey John, I noticed you linked to X, Y, and Z article. I have a similar one that just came out, but mine covered 1, 2, and 3 that theirs didn't. Cheers, Neil. Sending that simple email to hundreds of people, I'm not talking about 100 people, I'm saying hundreds, 200, 300, 400. You'll notice that some of those people start linking back to you, boost your search traffic, and you're also going to get referral traffic. Referral traffic is huge. The other beautiful part about Suggest is it shows you all the popular articles based on social shares. So I want you to go to Twitter search, type in that URL of your competition. It'll show you all the people who share that content on Twitter. Hit them all up. Ask them, hey John, I noticed you shared X, Y, and Z article from author A, B, and C. I have a similar one that just came out, but mine covers 1, 2, and 3. If you like it, feel free and share it. Cheers, Neil. P.S. Let me know if I can do anything for you. Sending those simple articles and emails out, or more so messages, you'll get more social shares. You did that with links, you're now doing that with emails, you're gonna get more traffic. As you get more traffic, you'll start getting results. The next thing I want you to do is start collecting emails. It's not just about getting people to your site, it's about building a brand. You can't build a brand without collecting emails. You can use free tools like Hello Bar, leverage sliders, pop-ups. I do that on neilpatel.com. It's a great way to collect more email addresses. So then when you get people to come back to your site, you'll start building a brand. As the ex-CEO of Google once said, brands are the solution. He was talking about figuring out what sites to rank at the top of Google, and also combating things like fake news. For that reason, you want to build a brand. And they say when you get people back to your site 7 times, you're much more likely to build a brand. The next thing I want you to do is install a free tool called Subscribers. This leverages push notification. If you've ever used push notification, leave a comment below with yes. If you haven't, leave a comment below with no. Just curious. What Subscribers allows you to do is have people subscribe to your site with just one click, and that way you can just keep getting them back to your site through their browser notifications. Has amazing results, especially when you combine that with email. The last thing I want you to do is start selling something, whether it's a physical product, a service, doesn't matter. You can do lead generation, you can sell products through affiliate marketing. I just want you to sell something, because when you learn to sell, you're learning the full suite of marketing. It's not just about driving traffic. You need to convert those visitors into customers. And if you want a bonus tip, this is all you guys who are, overachievers, run an A/B test. There's a lot of solutions out there like Crazy Egg that allow you to do this, but you can run an A/B test to maximize your conversion rate. Once you've done that, you'll jumpstart your career into digital marketing. If you need help with your marketing needs, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. And if you enjoyed watching this video, like it, share it, subscribe. Have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll answer it. Thank you for watching.